Guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So someone suggested to me a while back that I do a lampshade. This goes like this. So this is the outside of it here. And so I thought I would go ahead and give it a go. I do have a bunch of leftover paint here from some earlier pours that I did, and they're earthy colors. So what I am going to do is just add a bit more paint to this bowl, because I'm doing this on top of a 14 by 14 canvas. So I'll actually need quite a bit more paint than this. But I'm going to go ahead and just add some white and blue here. And then I have one other, this is also some leftover paint. And I think I'll just start it off with that. You know what? I'm going to also add some gold in here. Gold makes everything better, right? Okay. Let's try this. Hopefully this works. So I'm going to start off with this is older paint. And I did tape off the hole. You can probably see that. And this does have some orange in it, but it'll go with it, I think. And this is kind of like underneath paint. Kind of been digging the earthy colors today. All right, here we go. Silicone, so it's not like... Hopefully my tape holds up on the bowl. Or, it's not a bowl. Lampshade. Yeah, that thing, you know? And I do have this like propped up on the canvas just so that it's easy for me to move it once I'm ready. So at this stage, we're going to let this go ahead and drip down. I want to let it drip for at least a couple minutes or so. But real quick, I am going to tilt just because it seems like we have some kind of hanging up in that part that I taped. All right, there we go. I'm really happy with these colors. Okay, so let's let this sit and drip down, and then we'll come back and do the canvas. Alright guys, so this is largely slowed down. I'm actually super thrilled with this. The colors are awesome. Just kind of turn a little bit. Loving that purple. Okay, so I'm going to do the canvas. My husband's going to help me out here real quick and move my shot glasses over. Okay, good. All right, and then I don't quite have enough paint here. So what I'm going to actually do is I'm going to put a little more paint in my bowl here. And I'm going to do a tree ring in the middle. So I have some green. And of course, keep in mind that there's already colors in the bowl. And I put some white in there, blue, and then some black and some gold is what we're doing in that tree ring in the middle. And I think it's going to be pretty awesome. Okay, a little more black. Obviously, the main project is the lampshade, but we still want a cool canvas too. So I'm going to just go right in here. And I'm thinking that this is going to come out pretty cool, I hope. Okay. So that should be plenty of paint. Wow, okay, I think this looks super awesome. I was not expecting to like the canvas this much. I think that gold really made this into such a cool piece. I love it. So what we're going to do now is we'll just let the lampshade dry fully. I'm probably going to spray it with some Rust-Oleum Crystal Clear enamel spray, but I'll let you know in a few days when we're back. And I'll show you how it looks actually on the lamp so you can see the real life look to it. So we'll see you in just a few days. All right, guys, we're back. The lampshade is fully dry. It lightened up a lot and actually changed a lot, but it looks awesome with that light coming through. I just am so pleased with how this came out. I ended up spraying it with the Rust-Oleum Crystal Clear Enamel Spray, so I think that's working out nicely. Anyways, I did want to let you guys know also that I have a fluid art class coming up in Texas in April. I'll put the link down in the description. If you're interested, check it out. It's going to be so much fun. And I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.